Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get this judges card on Dress to Impress. So you do need to be on the free play mode, and then you're just going to walk here to the judges panel. You're going to sit and you're going to select the score that you want, and then you're just going to jump, and as you can see you'll be able to carry it everywhere. I did this in private server. I'm not sure why it didn't work, but it actually works when you're not in a private server. So just keep that in mind, that you can carry this scoreboard around. That is how you can carry the scoreboard around on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.